We know the struggle of the sales process. Long sales cycles, untraceable amounts of relationships with different clients, and a difficulty to align all the goals and objectives with your team. Not to mention, all of your information is scattered across multiple platforms within your company. Now it's time for an optimization. Introducing Account Optimizer, a strategic account planning tool with highly configurable and collaborative models to help enhance you and your team's sales efforts. Account Optimizer will help you manage, retain, and grow your account base and your prospects with an easy visual review process, helping you improve teamwork and communication through collaboration. Dive in with us to understand how our tool can assist you and give you a proven solution to your daily problems. Our first model to introduce is the player chart. Here you can graphically depict power, influence, access, and decision-making roles with all of the players associated with the account. The whitespace or segmentation module helps you develop a strategic map of all of the active and potential cross-selling opportunities that exist within the account. In the SWOT analysis, you can track your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats for both you and your competitors, having it readily available for updating as the account matures. The next one is Business Insight. In this module, you can create demand by uncovering clients' unresolved goals, objectives, obstacles, issues, or challenges. With the Ideas module, you can document and categorize ideas into opportunities and/or action items based on your company's values, working as an interactive notepad for a planning session or meeting. The Opportunity Map module graphically displays all of your account opportunities, as well as the ability to manage them for separate revenue, cost units, divisions, and subsidiaries. For more information on the Account Optimizer, please visit our website, salesoptimizer.com, or call us at 1-407-389-6060.